Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Wangoi and I'm back with another beautiful video. So guys, today is another beautiful morning and I thank God for that. First of all, I want to appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your small support, for the big support you're also giving me. Thank you so much. And for the returning subscribers, feel welcome again and again and again. And if you are here and you've not yet subscribed to this beautiful channel, please kindly hit that red button, subscribe to my channel, and let's reach to 1000 subscribers. So guys, mkiniona hapa mnajua I'm about to analyze of something. Guys, tell me why all this is happening. I'm shocked. I don't know why I'm laughing. I even don't know why I'm even laughing. Guys, a lot have been happening and I'm here to analyze about yesterday's video up for our lion. I hope everyone here ameweza kufuata our lion Riaga mwenyewe, Riaga show. I'm here to analyze about yesterday's video. Guys, kama mliona vile Riaga aliweza kutuwekea, walikuwa wametumwa wakaombe. But kwa hiyo harakati ya kwenda kuomba, something happened. Little did they know, ni vita nyingine wameanzia vile wameamua kumsaidia Senior Dave. Guys, mimi I was shocked kuona ya ukweli ya kuwa hii vita sio ya mwili tu, mbali ni ya kiroho. Sijui kama mliona waganga, Karao wamekuwa manipulated. Hadi ako na audacity ya kutembea na mganga na anasema ya kuwa she's being paid well, whereby the Senior Dave's team and Riaga show team, they can't afford to pay her. So guys, things are getting worse, but I thank God alimleta Riaga kwa maisha ya Senior Dave. Guys, mnaona itakuwa aje? What will happen? Juu kulingana na mimi naona tu tunaibuka washindi. As long as Riaga is there and our God is here for us, everything is going to work perfectly. And at the end of the day, we will be winners. So guys, wacha tungoje. Wamepeana onyo ya kuwa Riaga show, they should stop kusaidia Senior Dave kutafuta babake, afisa Gerard, and the house manager, and the rest wenye wamekuwa wamekidnapiwa na wao. So wamepeana onyo ya kuwa they should not go to Mombasa, to Malindi, yes. They should not go to Malindi kuendea au kina baba Senior Dave. But guys, mnaona aje? Riaga atishi yangu, si ndio? Riaga atishi yangu because he served the living God. And mimi I'm hoping for the best and I'm trusting that everything's going to work well and we are going to be winners on this within the next 4 days. Juu walikuwa wamepewa 6 days. If you subtract yesterday, so they are remaining 4 days. Juu today is another day, so they are remaining 4 days, and within those 4 days remaining, I'm sure that our God is going to work. We are going to have back our daddy. Senior Dave's father is also our daddy, and I'm praying for success in this mission, and I'm praying that everything may work well accordingly to your will. Msishangae niko wapi, ni vile nasikia watu wakipita wakiongea, bado niko rooftop kwa nyumba, kuna kelele mingi singeweza kushutia hapo. So guys, tuendelee kumwombea Senior Dave. Our hero Senior Dave, maadui wanajaribu kumfukuzia marafiki wa karibu wenye wanaweza msaidia, but I thank God. Mungu aachiliangi watu wake. I thank God cause ataendelea kumfightia Senior Dave until akuwe winner. For those 6 days walipeana, Mungu anawakingi na hours, even seconds. So mimi najua it's just a one word. Mungu akisema ndio, hakuna mtu atakuja kukataa. God akisema ni saa hizi baba Dave atajileta. So guys, let's support this team whenever we can, even if they are not going live. I think their numbers are in the screen, so we can support them with the small we have. Yeah, ndo waweze accomplish their mission. So guys, wacha tuendelee kungoja tukiona, but najua Hey, bravo, the unseen man. Tutakuja kukuona vizuri hiyo sura yako. Charles, I'm sure you're going to regret why you left Senior Dev. I know you're going to regret all things you've been doing secretly. You're going to regret. As long as Mungu ameweza kumtumia Riaga akamsaidia Senior Dev, mta regret sana. What you are doing is not right. What you are doing will shock you yourself. Watch how God is doing his work. Watch how God does. Mtashtuka sana, maanake Mungu atishiwi na hakuna kitu kinaweza mshinda Mungu. We believe in and we serve the living God. So guys, I wanted just to update a small thing about yesterday's video. Leo nimesema lazima niguzie Riaga because he's a man of God and I'm here to analyze about men of God. So let's keep moving. Let's keep supporting them. Let's keep calm, waiting God to work. Mungu harakishangwi, and when right time comes, anasemanga, I'll make things right. So guys, have a blessed day ahead of you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to leave a comment down there. So I love you so much, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.